Good morning. This is your Zozo Stock Watch morning report for July 31st, Monday. Currently, the YM futures, the Dow futures are up 56 points. The S&P futures are up 3 points. The NASDAQ futures are up 14 points. In your gold futures, the gold is down about 66 cents to $1. Copper currently up 0.87%. Crude currently trading just below $50 a barrel, 49.67, down 4 cents, down 0.8%. For your economic information this morning at 9:45, we have the Chicago PMI, 10 o'clock pending home sales, 10:30 Dallas Fed manufacturing survey, and at 3 p.m. we have the farm prices. Some earnings after Monday's close: AEIS, ALSN, HTA, IDTI, ZIOP, WG, TXRH, MATX, MEDP, NLS. In some earnings that have come out this morning, we have Sohu misses by 27 cents but beats on revenue. CYOU beats by 32 cents and beats on revenue. SSW earnings per share in line, misses on revenue. BTG, BT Gold beats on revenue. Amazon investigated over sales to Iran. HSBC announced the $2 billion share buyback. BHVN initiates second pivotal phase 3 clinical trial of oral CGRP. Tesla CEO hands over the keys to the first 30 models of the Model 3, according to Recode. AZN AstraZeneca drug gets breakthrough status in early lung cancer. GoPro upgraded equal weight at Morgan Stanley. Facebook downgraded sell at Pivotal Research, price target 140. HTZ Hertz downgraded underweight at Barclays, price target 9. Ulta downgraded perform at Oppenheimer and price target 270. ANIP initiated buy at Canaccord, price target 60. More on Amazon. Amazon quarterly report revealed that it sold thousands of dollars in products to people linked to Iranian government. Citigroup downgraded market perform at BMO Capital, price target $65. CYTK initiated overweight at Morgan Stanley, price target 24. Baidu upgraded buy at Nomura. CISN initiated buy at Deutsche Bank. COH downgraded hold at Jefferies. LPG misses by 2 cents but beat on revenue. GLMD beats by 5 cents, misses on revenue. Amazon acquires GameSparks for $10 million according to TechCrunch. AAN price target was raised and they had earnings Friday to 54 at Jefferies and it was at 42. Diamond Offshore Drilling beats by 21 cents, beats on revenue. CNA Financial beats by 13 cents. CNA Financial beats by 13 cents on their earnings. PDS Precision Drilling beats by 4 cents, beats on revenue. We have NatGas, UGas gapping down. CYTR is up pre-market. EDR beats by 1 cent, beats on revenues. DVAX was upgraded at JP Morgan, price target 27, and that stock is up. Snap is down pre-market. Snap lockup expires. IPO insiders can sell shares, and that may be the reason why Snap is down pre-market. American Airlines, AAL, upgraded outperform at Cowen. ACET initiated buy at Canaccord. ATHN downgraded market perform at Cowen. VWR beats by 4 cents and beats on revenues. Some top insider purchases after hours on Friday. AXE, SAFE, NAV, OPK. Next up we have LOXO. Loxo Oncology announces acquisition of highly selective reversible BK inhibitor program. REXR, Rexford Industrial acquires industrial property for $14.6 million. XXII, FDA plan to lower nicotine in cigarettes to non-addictive levels, shines spotlight on 22nd Century Group, and that's for XXII. BMY, CLVS, Bristol Myers Squibb, and Clovis announce a broad clinical collaboration. ETRM, Entromedics, receives approval for gastric vest system. KTOS, end-to-end network management solution to scale growing satellite group operation. That's on KTOS. BDSI, Biodelivery Sciences, publishes shareholder letter with mid-year corporate update. DAN, earnings per share and revenue beat. BBGI, earnings per share, revenue beat. NCI, earnings per share, revenue beat. OIS, earnings per share, revenue beat. Some company-specific meetings today. Top shareholder meetings: GRR, INCR, CALL, CRMD, PRTO, DVAX. Top analyst investor calls today: Discover, DISCA, and SNI. Next up, we have ICPT announces positive results for the Phase 2 trial evaluating OCA for treatment of patients with primarily scoliosis. Next up, we have syndicate news. CENX filed Form S3, CM filed F3, FFBC filed S3, IBKR S3, NBRV. We have an S3, SUI filed Form 42B5, TNP filed Form F3, URI pricing of $925 million of 4.87 senior notes. PRT announces underwriter's exercise of overall allotment option. IPO, CIFS announces pricing and closing of initial public offering. And we have over 2 million shares in ordinary shares at about $10. ICPT beats by 18 cents, beats on revenue. ARLP beats by 4 cents, misses on revenue. Etsy appoints new CTO. AHGP misses by 11 cents, misses on revenue. NRZ beats by 50 cents, beats on revenue. Discover, DISCA, misses by 4 cents, misses on revenue. CBU beats by 13 cents, beats on revenue. AWI beats by 5 cents, revenue in line. ARX receives orphan drug designation that's on RARX. Tesla, Goldman Sachs out reiterating their sell rating on Tesla. Twitter was down pre-market. Here's some more upgrades and downgrades. Mo up sector perform at RBC, so they were upgraded at for Mo. VC upgraded outperform. VRTS upgraded outperform at CS, which is Credit Suisse. WFC upgraded market perform at BMO. Some top downgrades that we haven't mentioned, we have LSTR, downgraded hold at Deutsche Bank. MSTR, equal weight at First Analysis. ODFL, downgraded hold at Deutsche Bank. VC, downgraded neutral at UBS. Some initiations, we have TWNK, that's Twinkie, initiated neutral at UBS. CYTK, initiated overweight. CISN initiated buy at Deutsche Bank. FireEye was hacked, and FireEye is down in pre-market, so the cyber company, it was actually hacked themselves. ARAY, Accuri receives clearance for IDMS. ONCE, Spark Therapeutics, submits marketing authorization application to European Medicines. MNGA, small company, Magna Gas, announces significant continued improvement in Magna Gas 2 production. EDAP announces filing. FLKS names William McVierker, President and Chief Executive Officer, XXO, earnings per share in line, beats on revenue. Cliffs Natural Resources announces proposed tack-on offering, and Cliffs Natural Resources announces tender offer for any of all of its senior secured notes. Cliffs was up pre-market, HTZ gapping down. AMG earnings per share beat on AMG. Next up, we have in the news, TVO Dish selects TiVo metadata. TVN Devon Energy announces $340 million of non-core asset sales. MYO obtains CE mark approval for MyoPro. Teva announces U.S. FDA acceptance of biological license application. And lastly, ZTS NV Zoetis completes acquisition of NextVet Biopharma. Some stocks that are up pre-market, we have DVAX, which hit $20 and pulling back. Keep this one on watch for a possible rebound. NXTD, big pop in that name pre-market on NXTD. PTIE up pre-market, has a few bids, only 803 shares traded thus far. Edit, nice pop and gap up, just basing around $19 a share on 4,000 shares pre-market. PCMI bidding up. On that one, we have 2,000 shares traded. XXII, nice pop on their news and information, over 89,000 shares traded. CYTR, which had popped on Friday, nice continuation move here. Currently over 300,000 shares traded in CYTR. SOHU, which had earnings, nice pop over 61, has pulled back now down to about the 55 level on SOHU. Drillquip, bidding up after their earnings, only 100 shares traded though. MNGA with the news I just read to you, trying to hold this 64 spot, volume 3,500 shares on MNGA currently. MBRX bidding up pre-market, 2,000 shares traded. ETRM bidding up pre-market, 2,500 shares traded pre-market. Anovo up a little bit this morning on 3,000 shares. CLF, we had a nice pop in CLF. We had over 40,000 shares traded, so maybe in play today, giving back some of those gains. Val up pre-market on 27,000 shares. GoPro, which was upgraded this morning, bidding up at 835 and over 12,000 shares traded in the name. As far as some stocks that are down, we have Mankind that's down, RVLT bidding down, REGN gapping down, ICPT down this morning. Dries trying to hold $1.10 so far this morning, but maybe threatening to break that. CLVS with that collaboration news not helping, trading down at $93 a share. Let's see what else we have. X bidding up a little bit this morning. FCX up this morning. RDFN, let's check that one out. We have RDFM up a tad this morning, and AKS up a little bit this morning, but giving back some of those gains. GIMO kind of just flat this morning on the name, but the big winner early this morning was this DVAX with the continuation move from Friday and currently trading around 1760. This has been the Zozo Stock Market Morning Report. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day trading, and we'll see you back at it tonight with stocks to watch for Tuesday, August 1st.